Hi guys, I'm at a client photo shoot. I'm gonna just walk you through my setup. It's a coffee roastery business, a social enterprise, a cracked bean roastery, who've hired me to do a product shoot. They'll be launching at a large retailer in Newcastle, and they've hired me to do some professional photography for promotions, socials, the website, etc. Right, let's get into it. So I've got a newer softbox mesh one. The lighting is an Amron 60S, so it's about how much did I get? It was £175. The softbox was about £70. I'll put the full list in the description. I've got a rig set up. It's a newer rig. It was about £140, and I've got a background. So I bought the background backdrops separately. I should have bought a bigger one, to be honest, but I have got some others backgrounds that I'm going to be testing out. I'm using a Sony A7 IV with a Sigma 70mm 2.8 macro art lens. Yeah, awesome. I'll let you know how it goes.